right, special thanks to this company for sending us their multi-tool pin set. You can see this is a 9-in-1 best gift for men, so good for any hardworking man who would need some of this kind of stuff: rulers, screwdriver, level, light, etc. You know, if they work in construction or something, this could be very helpful. It does come with 3 batteries and includes 6 ink refills, so you shouldn't need ink or batteries for a while for this thing. Just company name on the side, company name there, nothing there, nothing there, and then the back just gives you a little description of kind of what everything is. So let's open this on up. So that's it for in there. So this one does include a little guide, it looks like. That's very helpful. Tells you exactly what everything is and how it all works. What all do we have down in here? So we have both products, the pin set, okay. And then these must be the ink refills. So there's those. And then this must be, 3 more ink refills. And then lastly, 1, 2, 3 little batteries. And so that's it. As we look at each one, we can see that this one actually has a stylus on top. It has a level right here in this little window. It has the clip, of course. It's got a full ruler across it. And of course, it's a pin. So we could put one of these in here. And if you unscrew this, that's how you get to all of that. So there is one in here. Okay, there we go. All right, so the pin's ready to go. So that's the first one. And then this one is the one with a few other things. So this one also has a level. It also has your ruler, your clip, but on top, this one has an LED flashlight instead of the stylus. Now the bottom seems to be the same. Got a pin, very nice. And then you've also got a phone stand or a bottle opener. So apparently you could fit a phone in there or a bottle opener. Okay. And so if I unscrew this top, this is where the batteries go for the LED light. All right, so that'll essentially do it for everything that comes in this multi-tool pin set. You get tons of ink refills, so you should be set for a while. You really get 4 because there's 1 in each one, and then you get 3 extras. You know, there's definitely people who would use this and would find this very, very handy. The more tech-savvy ones over here with the stylus pin, and probably the more harder workings with the LED light. So thanks again for watching this unboxing. Thanks again to the company for sending it, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.